What's up, Gunpla models? This is Strider Prime bringing you a new review of my latest purchase that you see here. This is the Canon Vixia HFR700 camcorder. My replacement camcorder to the R400, no, excuse me, to the R500 camcorder that I purchased about more than 2 years ago. I thought it was a year ago, but doing a little history check on my channel, I reviewed that camera roughly 2 years ago. Good camcorder though, excellent. Damaged screen, of course, but I've had some multiple issues with that camera for a long time. Now I could either repair it, but I said, you know what, I'm replacing it. I will repair the camera, maybe sell it off or something like that. But for now, I need something that I could use so I can start building my Gundam kits. Recording my Gundam kits. Could I continue using my cell phone, but the stand is not a very secure stand. I'm afraid I may drop this phone and break it. Plus the fact that while I'm recording, my phone will ring and I have to answer it and then I have to redo the whole thing again. That could be a little annoying. So hopefully this phone doesn't ring while I'm recording this video. But as the title suggests, I am going to review my newest purchase. Now this camera was on sale at Best Buy for about $269. I think it was. It was like 30% off. The $30 off, I mean. So it was a good deal. Plus, I said, let me put a little warranty on it just to play it safe. Now the key features of this camcorder, it's 32 optical, 1140 times digital zoom. It has a 3-inch color touchscreen LCD display. It's a CMOS sensor. It has the DIG IC DV4 image processor. Optical stabilizer, of course. It has a photo mode. It has a voice recording capabilities, HDMI and USB interfaces, and the more important thing, an SD card slot, which will allow me to put in my SD card, record, and when I'm done, pop it out, put it into the computer, transfer it over, and we're done. So here are some other key features on the box. 1080, full 1080p. We just said the HD CMOS running at 1920 by 1080. The AVC HD progressive recording, which you could either use that or use MP4 running at 35 megabits per second. It also comes with HDMI cords as well. And pretty much the same thing. You get the camera, compact. Well, we're going to open it up right now and check it out. Battery life here, and I don't know if it says it here. It says about 180 minutes, but I could be wrong. Alright, so let's open it up. So we have the registration. Limited warranty. The manual, if anybody wants to read it. Let's put this to the side. I'm going to remove the cords first. So we have the battery pack, which is identical to the one that I have on my previous camcorder. We have the HDMI cables. Anything else in here? Oh, the battery. I don't know if my battery is compatible with this. We'll find out soon enough. USB cables, I guess, to do transfer from the camera to a PC. There's nothing else here. Then we'll just pull out this little bag right here. Anything else? So put that here. So here it is. Wow, it already has my smudge markers in there. I'm going to wipe that off. Really doesn't matter, but there it is, right there. This is identical to my previous camcorder, which I should put it away. Where did I put it? Hold on a second. Alright, so here's a side-by-side comparison. Here's the original Vixia HFR700, and here's the new one, the 700. Clearly, of course, it's a lot better than it was before. Except I had one that's black, and the old one was white. So, let's open this up and see if there's anything different here. Different, same screen, same size, of course, same features, key features that you see here. So I don't see anything different. Different trim on the top, that's all I see that's different compared from the old to the new. It has the same button here to turn it on and off. Same switch to open up the lens cap. Battery compartment goes in there. The connector to the battery is here. This one is here as well, but this one's already so loose that I have to hold it in with something just so it can record. Just so it can charge. It has the actual connectors there to put it on a tripod or some sort of stabilization device. Let's power up this puppy. Let me get a memory card in here. And this has the mic, AV out, HDMI out, and the USB. We'll stick in a 32 gig in here. And I'm using the old, actually, you know what, before I put that on, I'm going to compare the other one. Let's see. So this battery is, even though the same size, it is a lot thicker. I don't know if it's because it uses too much power, or maybe it's an extended battery. So I don't ruin my own new camcorder, I will use the battery that came with it. It always comes with a little bit of charge inside. So we'll connect that. And it'll turn itself on the minute you open up the door, or you hit the power button here. Ah, nice. I see a setup stage, so we'll say English. And we're going to put today's date. Today is excuse me, today is October 27th. January. Oh, it's the format. So it's the format, okay. So, October. What do I do? I click on that now? Yeah. 27th, 2016. It's 10 a.m. Oh, really? I gotta go all the way around. There we go. 24-hour cycle. Okay. Hit OK. Now we have the ideal, okay, so MP4 movies are ideal for playback and web uploads from the computer or smartphone. HVC HD movies are ideal for playback on HD TVs compatible with baby mode. We'll just leave it with MP4. I see the battery's almost done. Setup is complete. To change the settings, just click on here. Good. Date and time, movie format. Check whether the lens can. Oh, okay. Yeah, it always does that. So we'll open it up, and voila. Right now it's trying to zoom in. Let's put something in here to see. We'll use this little guy right here. Yeah, I know. I'll charge the battery in a minute. Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright, so far the camera looks good. Power as well. Nice lens. Stay tuned for my part 2 video as we test out the video quality on the camera. See how it is.